Hi everyone, this is a short video just to show you what we plan to do at our Scrapbook Mixed Media Workshop, which is taking place on the 24th of January 2026. So here are a selection of scrapbook layout backgrounds, and we'll be showing you on the day lots of techniques. So you will have white cardstock, there will be inks, paints, stencils, lots of things to help you make texture, and these are just a few of the techniques that we'll be learning on the day. Not only will we be experimenting with inks and stamps and stencils and paints, but we're also going to be exploring lots of scrap papers, and you can see here some of the techniques we're going to be learning to layer scrap papers, and also then adding some paints and some stamping to add lots of texture. So you'll leave the workshop with lots of completed backgrounds, and these are just some examples of how you can turn your scrapbook backgrounds into pages. So on the day we'll be creating the backgrounds themselves, but then you can take your completed mixed media backgrounds home, and this is just some examples of how you can transform your scrapbook backgrounds into beautiful layouts. We look forward to hosting our Scrapbook Mixed Media Workshop on the 24th of January, just after Christmas, and we will be holding the workshop at Ulverston Primary School, BS 35 4DB. You can find all the information on our website www.twilightcrafts.co.uk.